To install the Delivery Trust Gmail add-in, we must first navigate to the Chrome Play Store by simply clicking on the link provided in Step 1. Once the Chrome Store has opened up and displays a Delivery Trust plugin, you will want to click on the Add to Chrome button. When prompted with a drop-down menu if you would like to add the extension, please click Add Extension. Upon completion of the installation, please navigate back to your Gmail tab and then click on the new ID icon near the top right-hand corner of your browser. From here we want to click Log In and then complete the login process by utilizing your Delivery Trust account credentials. Once logged in, please be sure to refresh your Gmail tab for the changes to take effect. To confirm the process has successfully been completed, simply compose a new message and you should now see and be able to utilize both the Send Secure button and Delivery Trust Security Settings button at the bottom of newly composed messages.